So how do we actually play Call of Duty Black Ops 2 with our PlayStation 5 controller on our PC? Well, the first thing we need to do is to put it into pairing mode, and you do so by clicking on this button together with this one, the logo here, and then holding at the same time. Keep holding until it's gonna give out this light here, meaning that it's now in pairing mode. Now when it's in pairing mode, go into search here on your PC or laptop and search, or go to Bluetooth and device here, obviously on settings. Then click on add device and then Bluetooth, of course, don't forget to do that. And then find the DualSense wireless controller here. Your device is ready to go. Perfect, now it should be connected. You can see it actually works here now on my PC, but there is one more thing we need to do, and that is to go into Steam. So now on Steam, what you need to do is to click on the logo in the top left corner, click on settings, and then click on controller, and then here DualSense wireless controller. Sometimes you have to click on setup controller, so if you do have that button, just click on it, but also click on show advanced settings. Now where it says PlayStation controller support, enable in games without support as well. That one you have to mark, it's very important. Now let's say that this game right here, this is the Call of Duty Black Ops 2, just let's say that it is. Now you have to check for controller and then click on view controller settings. Then in here, if it's gonna say enable Steam input, you have to click on it. So if it says disable Steam input, that's perfect. You don't have to do anything. You can just go into the game and now you should be able to start playing with your PlayStation 5 controller. So that is basically exactly how to do this.